It's John Champion at the San Siro, and alongside me is Jim Beglin.
Hi John, I'm really glad to be here. Let's hope these teams serve up a real cracker.
Everyone, please welcome to the field our players.
And the lineups for today. And we're off. Through the middle he goes. It's opened up nicely for him, and he makes absolutely no mistake. He gets his team off to a flyer.
Well, now that they've got their early reward for such a bright start, they have every chance of taking control of this match. They must push on. Well, that's a finish that'll be remembered by both player and fans for a long, long time. I guess we'll be eulogising about it for a long time too. Wonderful.
A fine goal, a real delight to watch. It's been a dream start.
Listen, whatever the manager has said before the game started, it's worth the treat. This is bright and sharp, and I think that goal is fully deserved.
And he crosses to the centre, and the cross is cleared. Oh, he wasn't taking any chances there. Here's Hamšík. He plays it through. And the offside flag is up.
Well, it's a dangerous game the defence is playing by pushing up and looking for offside. One individual lapse and the whole drill can collapse.
Maggio, whose goal-scoring skills have already been seen. Offside the decision that time. Now it's a great chance for a counter. Maybe a chance. Now it's a goal kick. Blind. Taarabt. Taarabt. Sends it towards the centre. It's a corner. It could have been worse. He knocks it in. Here he is. It just veered off to the right.
Well, his first touch wasn't quite what he was looking for, and that made things difficult for him. It just got away from him slightly.
Quarter of an hour played, and Barami. Maggio. Maggio, and he was obstructed there. Referee gives the free kick. Cavani loses out in a position of some promise. Tarabt, Boschka, Alessandro Lucarelli. Who can latch onto that? This could be interesting. Opportunity here, he scored! Now back on level terms.
And it's another really good show of character. I love the spirit and togetherness they muster. Never know when they're beaten.
That was a teasing finish.
Well, although the keeper looked an imposing figure then, he remained totally unfazed and took the chance with great ease.
The game restarts with the scores level again.
Yeah, we thought that this one would be close between two strong sides like this, and I think that just goes to prove it.
It's a good run he's making. Cut out in a promising position. Fusile. Salvio. Hamšík. Here's Berami. Through ball over the top. Boschka. Zuniga.
Yeah, they're just finding it hard now to produce that extra bit of craft that can make all the difference. That key pass.
Now a chance for a cross from the flank. They've done it! And that completes the comeback. The cross was inch perfect. It demanded that finish.
Yeah, his run just gave the defence one problem too many, and he eluded everyone to tuck it away. Excellent header.
Now up by a goal.
Oh, this fella's Mr. Reliable. Whenever you need to find a goal from somewhere, he delivers. What a top man.
Got it. Here's Pandev. Here is Cavani. Now he's ready for a shot. Cavani. Pandev. Keeper claims it.
Well, that's understandable because they haven't found it easy against this defence, and shooting from that sort of range, it's not the answer.
Cavani. And now the counter-attack. Good opportunity for a cross here.
Yeah, it's all very easy on the eye, but I think they're just missing something a little more incisive now to complement some very good build-up play.
And he's offside, the flag is up. He's got in, penalised for that challenge. Hits a ball in. Only 5 minutes left on the clock until the break, and just the one goal divides them. Bellion launches the ball forward. This goes for a throw-in. Babos. Here's a cross. Chance for a counter then. This is promising. What can they make of it? Wonderful through ball over the top. And his shot off target.
Well, it just goes to show you how effective a counter-attack can be, because when you move the ball at pace like that, it only takes seconds to create a threat.
Plays this forward. Tarabt. Boschka. Alessandro Lucarelli, creator of one goal already. Flags up, just when there was a chance of an equaliser. Tarabt. Tried to play it through. The cross ending up in the goalkeeper's hands. Half-time is now upon us.
This has been good to watch. I think they've shown some real quality on and off the ball, stretched the opposition defenders all over the pitch. All they need now is to continue in the same fashion, add to that tally.
2-1 the scoreline, 3 goals to enjoy from the first half. Welcome back, the second half just getting underway now in what's been a pretty entertaining match. Here's Inler. Here's a ball in. Babosh. And he hits it in towards the middle. They've scored! It's a 2-goal lead now. That was a great header.
You know, it takes a lot of courage to do that, to throw yourself at the ball knowing you could catch a boot in the head. Well done, son.
So we resume, and the gap is now 2.
Well, they've opened a nice gap at this stage, but there's nothing to stop them for trying to widen it a little further.
Hamšík. Inler. He crosses it in, and the cross met firmly. Here's Inler. Carried away!
Well, if they're going to trouble this opposition, then every single player has to contribute more. Their passing needs a serious lift.
The flag stays down. Sends the cross to the back post. And the cross is met with a perfect header! They have a 3-goal advantage, and that should be enough. A fine delivery and a header to match.
Well, there was only going to be one player getting to that, because he attacked it with so much aggression and commitment. Tremendous play.
They get us underway, now 3 goals behind. Steals it. Slides it through. It's come through to him. A chance. And he'll shoot. Oh, yet another goal. They've most definitely hit their stride now. A great finish in a one-on-one situation.
I just thought he was alert and direct. There was no messing about. He was too quick for the keeper, and that's a fine finish.
What a way to complete a hat-trick.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
They have this game in their hands now. Cavani. Picked off the ball. It's well cleared. Now an opportunity to cross. Shoots here. Zuniga. Here's Inler. Nice ball through. That was offside there, and the opposition defenders looked pretty relieved.
That was very, very tight, but the assistant was correct to raise the flag. He just drifted offside.
Cavani and Barami. Mariano. It's on for him. Maggio wants to get this forward. The pass cut out. Samuel. Salvio. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Looking to carve open the defence. He can take the shot on here. Another goal. They're well clear now. It's just a question of how many more. In a straight duel like that, there was only going to be one winner.
Well, when you go one-on-one with the keeper, you can't afford any indecision, and that was decisive and clinical.
.75 minutes on the clock now. No, it's been cut out. Wants to get this forward. Possibility here for a cross. It's cleared. Cleared to safety. It's a corner. Ball in. They're breaking out quickly here. Salvio. A long ball into space. Now the chance. There it is. This game has already ceased to be a contest. Do you put that down to good finishing or to poor defending?
Well, we've just seen intelligent football from intelligent footballers. That's honed on the training ground and lovely when it comes off on match day.
And it's the substitute who scored. I bet the manager feels pretty good now.
Well, the instruction from the manager would have been, go on and make yourself a nuisance and see if you can snatch a goal. Mission accomplished.
Zuniga. Now a chance for a cross. They'll regard that as a decent result. Only a corner. He sends it in. A chance, and he scores! A great corner, a good header.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
They pulled one back, but still have a mountain to climb. Full-time whistle within sight. Schweinsteiger. Now through to Lavezzi. He's on his way. Here's a shot. Great chance for the counter. It's on for him. Good run down the side. Now, what next? Who's he going to pass to? So that's it, the final whistle. They show plenty of resolve individually and maturity as a team. They didn't panic, they kept plugging away at the opposition, and it paid off.
Great effort, and that's a great result. Even though they conceded the first goal, they kept their spirit intact, and it paid great dividends.
My sincere thanks go to Jim alongside me, and as the fans make their way home,